In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the header on just one page of your Wix website quickly and easily. This is perfect for those of you who want to customize your site's appearance without affecting the entire website. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, go to Wix.com and log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're in, locate the specific website you want to work with. You'll see a list of your sites on the dashboard. Simply click on the one you wish to customize. Next, we're going to head over to the Design Site section. Clicking this will take you into the website's editor. This area is where all the magic happens. So get ready to explore. Once the editor loads, you'll be able to see a preview of your site. It's always a good idea to have a clear view of the changes you'll be making. Now, take your cursor and hover over the header area on the page where you want the color change to occur. Click on it and you'll see options related to the header. What we're particularly interested in is finding the change header design option. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a header design window popping up, typically on the right side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to customizing the header's look. Here, you'll find various options, but our focus is on changing the header color. When you click to change the color, a color picker will appear. This is a handy tool that lets you select the perfect hue that matches your design preferences. Whether you have a specific color code in mind or you want to experiment with different shades, the color picker is where you'll do this. Don't forget, aside from just colors, you can explore other customization options such as borders, corners, and shadows. These additional design features can add more depth and uniqueness to your header if you wish to tweak them. Once you're satisfied with the color choice, be sure to click Save to apply all the changes you've made. It's crucial to save your work to ensure the updates are not lost. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of the header on just one page of your Wix site. Remember, these steps ensure that the change is isolated to a single page, keeping the rest of your site's design intact. Make sure everything looks good and fits your vision for your website's look. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing on Wix.